Hello friends, today we'll discuss divisibility rule by 10. If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 100. Let us take one example. Suppose we have taken 50, 5, 0. Here in ones place it is 0. Therefore you can say this number is divisible by 10. Suppose 50. If we divide it by 10, we get 5 times 50, right? That means it is divisible. Let us take remainder is 0. If we take another example, suppose 6, 5, 0, right? In ones place it is 0, therefore it will be divisible by 10. Let us divide 656, 5, 0 by 10. Then we can write 6, 10 is 60, 65 minus 60, that is 5, 0. Again 5 times 50. Again 5 times 50. That means it is also divisible by 10, and you find here that the remainder is 0. Now if we take another example, suppose the number is 7, 6, 0. Here in ones place it is 0, therefore it will be divisible by 10. Let us divide 7, 6, 0. If we divide it by 10, 7 10 is 70, 7 10 is 70, 76 minus 70 is 6, down 0, then 6 10 is 60. That means it is also divisible by 10 and the remainder is 0, right? Therefore you can say that if a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. This is the rule of divisibility by 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.